Hello, my name is David Birch. I would like to welcome you to the 15-Minute Wellness 28-Day Challenge. What that means is for the next 4 weeks, each day I am going to be recording an instructional and follow me practice video for Tai Chi and Qigong. These are simple techniques that combat stress and help the body heal. The great thing about this is you won't need an hour. You don't even need 30 minutes. 15 minutes is the max that you're going to need. So I hope you join me. Please subscribe to the channel. Please turn on your notifications so that you know whenever I post. And down below in the description, I'm going to drop a link to a practice journal that you can download, print off, and it will help you keep track of your progress so that you know that this is working for you. Hope to see you soon.